What if your laptop could survive a desert sandstorm, a military drop zone, and a torrential downpour and still run your most demanding applications without breaking a sweat? In 2026, rugged laptops aren't just tough, they're smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever before. Whether you're a first responder racing against time, a field engineer in the middle of nowhere, or a soldier on a critical mission, the right rugged laptop can be the difference between success and failure. Today, we're counting down the 10 absolute best rugged laptops of 2026, the machines built to take everything the world throws at them and keep going.
Number 10. Acer Enduro Urban refuses to choose. This semi-rugged machine is what happens when a rugged laptop and a modern ultrabook have a conversation and actually listen to each other. The result is a device that looks completely at home in a boardroom but survives comfortably in the field. At just under an inch thick and weighing around 4 pounds, the Enduro Urban is extraordinarily slim for a device with genuine protective credentials. Shock-absorbing corner bumpers, water-resistant I/O port covers, and a reinforced chassis mean it can handle the drops, splashes, and rough handling of daily field life without ever looking like it was designed for a construction site. The 14-inch Full HD IPS display is sharp, color-accurate, and pleasant to work on for extended periods. Inside, Intel 11th generation core processors, backed by up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and fast NVMe SSD storage, deliver true laptop-class performance. Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6, and a comprehensive port selection mean this machine connects to everything a modern professional needs. Mill Standard 810H certification gives it real-world durability credibility, while the semi-rugged build keeps the weight and profile dramatically lower than full military spec alternatives. Priced significantly below the fully rugged competition, the Enduro Urban opens rugged computing to a much wider audience. For field consultants, outdoor professionals, urban workers, journalists, and anyone who needs a...
Number 9. Acer Enduro N7. Acer entering the rugged laptop market raised a lot of eyebrows, but the Enduro N7 quickly silenced the skeptics. This is a fully rugged laptop that brings Acer's engineering credibility and competitive pricing into a segment dominated by much more expensive machines, and it holds its own impressively. The 14-inch display pumps out 700 nits of brightness, delivering solid outdoor visibility for field professionals who spend significant time working outside. The display is touch-enabled and designed for usability in the kinds of messy, fast-moving environments where rugged devices earn their keep. One of the standout practical features of the Enduro N7 is its hot-swappable battery system with a built-in bridge battery. This means you can swap out the main battery without shutting down the device, keeping operations continuous during extended field deployments where downtime is unacceptable. Battery life is rated at up to 13 hours, giving full shift coverage with room to spare. Security and performance are handled by Intel Core processors with TPM 2.0, providing solid hardware-level security for professionals handling sensitive data in the field. The chassis carries Mill Standard 810G and IP65 certifications, delivering genuine drop, dust, and water resistance that field professionals can trust. For organizations looking to deploy rugged laptops at scale without the premium price tags of Panasonic or Getac, the Acer Enduro N7 represents outstanding value. First responders, field service technicians, and public sector teams will find it reliable, capable, and tough enough for real-world demands, proving that you don't always need to spend a fortune to get a machine that simply refuses to stop working.
Number 8. Durabook S15. Not everyone needs an ultra-heavy, full military-spec machine. Some professionals need something that bridges the gap between a polished business laptop and a tough field device without compromising on either side. The Durabook S15 is exactly that bridge, and it does it better than almost anyone else in its class. The headline feature is its 15.6-inch Full HD Dynaview sunlight-readable display, an absolutely massive screen that makes working outdoors genuinely comfortable. Whether you're reviewing engineering schematics, managing field data, or running reports in bright sunlight, this display delivers clarity that standard laptops simply cannot match outside. Powered by Intel 12th generation processors, the S15 brings serious performance to a semi-rugged chassis that weighs just 5.63 pounds and measures barely over an inch thick. In the world of rugged laptops, that combination of performance, screen size, and portability is genuinely rare. The full 98-key membrane keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad adds to the productivity story. This is a machine you can work on seriously all day long. Durability credentials include Mill Standard 810H certification, 4-foot drop resistance, and IP5X dust protection. It handles the knocks and bumps of daily field use without issue. The built-in carry handle is a small but thoughtful detail that field workers genuinely appreciate. Number 7. Panasonic Toughbook 33 MK4. What if you needed a laptop and a tablet but could only carry one device? The Panasonic Toughbook 33 MK4 solves that problem elegantly, delivering a fully rugged 2-in-1 detachable that switches between laptop and tablet modes in seconds. For professionals who need ultimate flexibility without sacrificing protection, this is the answer. The 12-inch QHD display is stunningly sharp, bright, and touch-enabled with both finger and stylus input. Detach the keyboard and you have a powerful, rugged tablet. Attach it and you have a full productivity workstation. The transition is seamless, and the build quality on both the screen and keyboard units is rock solid throughout. Performance is powered by Intel Core processors with vPro security technology, providing the computing muscle needed for field data processing, real-time communications, and mission management applications. Multiple expansion areas allow for smart card readers, barcode scanners, and additional connectivity modules, keeping the Toughbook tradition of customization fully alive. Connectivity includes the latest Wi-Fi standards, Bluetooth, optional 4G LTE and 5G, plus comprehensive GPS support for location-aware operations. The all-day battery life means a full shift without hunting for a power outlet. Certified to MIL STD 810H and IP65, the Toughbook 33 MK4 handles drops, dust, water, and temperature extremes with the same composure as any full-size rugged laptop. For police officers, paramedics, utility inspectors, and military personnel who constantly switch between vehicle and foot patrol, the Toughbook 33 MK4 is the one device that does it all.
Number 6. Getac X600 Pro. When the mission demands absolute maximum computing power in a fully rugged package, everything else steps aside for the Getac X600 Pro. This is not just a rugged laptop, it is a rugged mobile workstation engineered for the most power-intensive, data-heavy, mission-critical operations on the planet. The X600 Pro is built around state-of-the-art processing power with expandability at its core. Multiple expansion bays allow users to configure storage, communications modules, and additional hardware, making it a truly customizable platform that grows with the demands of the mission. From command and control operations to CBRNE analysis and terrain mapping, this machine handles it all. The display is large, bright, and optimized for use in demanding outdoor environments because when you're running complex applications in the field, you need a screen that shows you everything clearly, without excuses. Processing power supports heavy workloads that would bring conventional laptops to their knees. Connectivity options are extensive, supporting multiple communication standards to ensure the X600 Pro stays integrated into any operational network, regardless of location. Its sealed, fully rugged design is certified to withstand shock, vibration, extreme dust, water intrusion, and the brutal temperature ranges encountered in genuine operational environments. Defense agencies, intelligence units, emergency management teams, and industrial operators rely on the Getac X600 when computational failure simply isn't an option. This is the machine you deploy when the stakes are highest, powerful, expandable, and built to last through whatever the mission demands.
Number 5. Getac K120 G3. Sometimes the job calls for something you can hold in your hands, carry on a vehicle dash, flip into different positions, and operate in any posture without sacrificing power or protection. The Getac K120 G3 answers that call with a fully rugged 12.5-inch tablet that redefines versatility in the field. The K120 G3 isn't just a tablet, it's a multifunctional computing platform. It supports multiple usage modes, pairing with keyboards, vehicle docks, and accessories to transform from a handheld device into a full workstation. For professionals who move between a truck cab, a warehouse floor, and a field site in a single shift, this flexibility is invaluable. The 12.5-inch Full HD display uses Getac's LumiBond technology, bonding the glass, touch panel, and LCD into a single unit for superior readability, touch accuracy, and resistance to knocks and impacts. It works with gloves, stylus, and bare fingers, even in wet conditions. Under the hood, Intel Core vPro processors deliver the performance needed for mission-critical applications, while integrated GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and optional 4G LTE keep it connected everywhere. Security features including fingerprint readers and smart card slots ensure data stays in the right hands. Fully rugged, MIL standard 810H and IP66 certified, the K120 G3 survives drops, dust, water jets, and temperature extremes without hesitation. Whether you're in logistics, military operations, utilities, or public safety, the Getac K120 G3 is the rugged tablet that works as hard.
Number 4. Getac S510. There's a specific type of professional who needs a large screen, serious security, and full rugged protection all in one machine. The Getac S510 was built precisely for that person. With its commanding 15.6-inch Full HD display, this fully rugged laptop brings desktop-level visibility to the most demanding field environments. That screen isn't just big, it's sunlight-readable and touch-enabled, making it ideal for technical professionals who work with maps, schematics, detailed data, and visual information outdoors. When you need to see everything clearly and react quickly, the S510 delivers. Security is where the S510 truly separates itself. It features Intel vPro technology, a built-in fingerprint reader, smart card reader, and a user-removable self-encrypting SSD. Sensitive data stays protected whether the device is in active use or physically taken from the field. For defense contractors, public safety agencies, and government departments, this level of hardware-based security is non-negotiable. Connectivity keeps pace with modern operational demands. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, 4G LTE with optional 5G, and GPS ensure the S510 stays linked to networks and location services in even the most remote deployments. Rugged credentials are fully certified with IP66 dust and water protection and 6-foot drop resistance. It handles extreme temperature, shock, and vibration without complaint.
Number 3. Panasonic Toughbook 55 MK3. If modularity is what you need, nothing on earth comes close to the Panasonic Toughbook 55 MK3. This machine is the ultimate expression of a rugged laptop that bends to your job, not the other way around. It is configurable, durable, powerful, and built for professionals who need one device to do everything. The Toughbook 55 MK3 features Panasonic's iconic modular expansion system with multiple configurable areas. In the field, you can swap in a barcode reader, a smart card reader, an optical drive, an extra battery pack, or additional ports without any tools, without sending it back to a depot, right there on the job. This level of adaptability is simply unmatched in the rugged laptop market. Performance is delivered by Intel Core processors with vPro technology, supported by up to 64 GB of RAM and fast NVMe SSD storage. The 14-inch display is bright, touch-enabled, and glove-operable, keeping usability high even when you're geared up for outdoor work. Battery life is exceptional. With the right configuration, the Toughbook 55 MK3 can run all day and into the night, a critical requirement for professionals on long shifts in locations where charging points simply don't exist. Built to MIL STD 810H standards and IP53 rated, it handles dust, rain, vibration, and drops with ease. Its semi-rugged but highly capable design makes it the go-to choice for paramedics, utility engineers, defense technicians, and anyone whose job changes faster than their equipment budget does. The Toughbook 55 MK3 doesn't just survive the job, it evolves with it.
Number 2. Getac B360 G2. Not every rugged laptop earns its reputation. The Getac B360 G2 has earned every bit of it. Designed from the ground up for professionals who face genuinely harsh conditions every single day, the B360 G2 combines extraordinary durability with a surprisingly lightweight and powerful package. The star of the show is its LumiBond touchscreen display, delivering up to 1,400 nits of brightness. Whether you're working under direct sunlight on a flight deck, in the middle of a forest, or at an outdoor incident command post, this screen is completely readable. And it responds to gloves, pens, and bare hands, even in rain, snow, or dust. Under the hood, the B360 G2 packs serious computing power with Intel vPro processors, giving IT departments confidence in remote management, security, and performance. Dual user removable drives mean sensitive data can be physically secured or swapped out instantly, a feature mission-critical operations simply cannot do without. Durability credentials are rock solid. The B360 G2 is IP66 rated, meaning it's fully sealed against dust and powerful water jets. It survives 6-foot drops and operates in extreme temperature ranges. Whether it falls off a vehicle roof rack or gets caught in a downpour, it keeps working. Connectivity is comprehensive with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, 4G LTE, and optional 5G, plus integrated GPS, keeping field teams connected wherever they deploy. The B360 G2 is a trusted tool for military personnel, public safety teams, and field engineers who simply cannot afford to have their equipment let them down when it matters most.
Number 1. Panasonic Toughbook 40 MK2. When professionals operate in the world's most extreme environments, they need a machine that refuses to quit. The Panasonic Toughbook 40 MK2 is exactly that machine. This is Panasonic's most advanced rugged laptop ever built, and from the moment you look at it, you know this is something different. At its core, the Toughbook 40 MK2 runs on Intel Core Ultra processors, up to 16 cores, making it the first Toughbook ever to feature a dedicated neural processing unit for AI-powered tasks. We're talking 143% faster AI application performance compared to its predecessor. This isn't just a rugged laptop anymore, it's an intelligent field computer. The display is a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen, pumping out an incredible 1,200 nits of brightness. Take it outside in the harshest sunlight, and it still looks crystal clear. The optional AMD Radeon or Intel Arc dedicated GPU means it can handle real-time imaging, mapping, and demanding visual applications without hesitation.
Now, let's talk durability. The Toughbook 40 MK2 carries MIL STD 810H and IP66 certifications. It survives drops from 180 centimeters, operates in temperatures ranging from -29 to +63 degrees Celsius, and laughs at powerful water jets. The magnesium alloy chassis with corner bumpers means this machine is genuinely built like a tank. What makes it truly special is its legendary modularity. 8 configurable expansion areas let you customize.
And that wraps up our countdown of the top 10 best rugged laptops of 2026. Whether you're a first responder, a military professional, a field engineer, or just someone who needs a laptop that can handle the real world, there is absolutely a machine on this list built for you. These devices don't just survive extreme conditions, they thrive in them. If you found this video helpful, do us a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our latest tech breakdowns, rugged device reviews, and top picks. And if you're still deciding which rugged laptop is right for you, drop your question in the comments below. We read every single one, and we're happy to help you make the right call. Don't forget to smash that like button if this video saved you some research time, and share it with someone who works in the field and needs an upgrade. We'll see you in the next one. Stay tough, stay connected, and we'll catch you soon.